Did you know that Tony Stark knew Roady was a Skrull and even took measures to prevent him from being a danger? I'm the captain, and this is Nerd Talk. Let's run this theory down. Well, the first question you probably have on your mind is, wait, Roady was a Skrull the whole time? Yes, according to our theory is yes. That inquires that Roady was a Skrull the whole time. So, for the remainder of this theory, just assume Roady was a Skrull the whole time. Now, back to the basics. See, Tony Stark, you have to remember, is one of the smartest men of all the universe. One of, not the. But he had to think after Avengers, the first one, when aliens came to Earth, he had to do a deep dive into aliens and just look at their mannerisms, their acts, and their actions. He was cursed with knowledge. Thanos' words exactly. And once you take that into account and look at the behavior he used with Roady from Iron Man 2 to Iron Man 1, it kind of looks like he was being a little cautious around him and the usage of the War Machine weapon. Here's how I mean. What I mean by that is, in Iron Man 2, Roady was just able to walk in the door and just pick an Iron Man suit. Just choose it. Walk in, pick it, choose it. He had no preventative measures to stop Roady from taking any Iron Man suit he chose. But in Iron Man 3, after Avengers, he became preventative measure and made it so he could only take the suit Tony permits him. I'll get more into this in a. Now, while on Iron Man 3, another great feature to think of him taking preventative measures, the explosion of the suit. That is something he added, did not tell Roady about, and maybe was a preventative measure for War Machine going rogue. Here's how I'll back that up.
You're not going deaf, are you?
And that proves that he didn't know that there were bombs planted in the suits. I mean, he would have just given him the suit and said, take it. I don't want to get burned. Take it. And then just beep, pop, boop, boom. Takes care of the threat, takes care of the suit, takes care of pretty much all of it. And Tony Stark doesn't care if Roady is a Skrull. He doesn't care if he's an alien. Doesn't care what he is, really. He just cares that he is a potential threat. Just like Vision. Vision was a potential threat in the beginning. He didn't care if, but he just wanted to know that he could take care of it down the road. So he put the bombs in there and just a potential measure. It all takes place after Avengers, when he knew of aliens and he did his research. Well, that's our theory for today, and it is great.